Last week on Loki Entertainment.
Check another day, because we're gonna take this thing out and put this winch to work, because my dumbass is gonna get stuck in my Jeep, and Cam's gonna save the day.
I mean, you shouldn't really be surprised this is what happened. Stay tuned, it was fun.
Here we go. It is Sunday. Sunday is fun day, and I'm following Adventure Cam right now. Got that winch bumper installed, the worn winch installed, and well, I'm gonna go see if we can't find a use for that winch. See if one of us can go and get stuck. Probably gonna run into some snow today because we are headed up a mountain, and well, we're in Canada. There's snow on the mountains. We'll see how it goes though. It's gonna be a bit of a long trip today. Got an absolutely brimmed up tank of gas, jerry can in the back, because it's looking like we're gonna try and connect a few main roads and get up to a cabin. I don't know, never been to this one, so it'd be interesting. We'll flip the camera around when it gets a little bit more interesting. We're just pounding some pavement in the back roads right now. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. It's not very entertaining. So, see you soon.
So we took a detour to fly our drones over a frozen lake, but we got distracted by something.
Oh, she's slippery now, folks. Holy smokes, bud. Did you go and get stuck?
I got stuck.
What happened there, bud?
Too hot.
My GoPro is rolling. It probably caught you jumped right in there. Oh yeah.
It's deep, man. I'm high center.
Yeah, you are. All right. Well, I got a tow strap and a tow hook. Well, she is, we're good and unburied now. We just did a little bit of digging, threw some mat tracks in there, and I think it might actually just pop out on its own now. Just came in a little too hot and sunk up to the bumper. You know how it goes, snow wheeling.
2 feet of snow came out of nowhere.
Right? I think you got that skid plate. Ugh. So, I gave her a few tugs with the Jeep and started to warm up. Not a real big fan of pulling all that weight backwards. So, let's see, maybe this thing will just crawl out on its own now. You watch, I got this.
Give her, Eli.
Okay, that's now, that might not be working. Yes. Self-recovery. Oh, this sketchy. This is sketchy. I've been trying to get back to my rock. because this rock is obviously the same weight as me. If the rock makes it, I can make it. So that means I can make it there, right?
Almost outside again. I don't think we're making it to the cabin.
We are breaking trail. It is greasy.
Nice day for a mall crawl.
Not bad.
Snow is super slippery though.
Yeah, you really got to try and stay on top.
Do you know if there's a Tim's up here?
I'm pretty sure we bring the Tims. We are the Tims.
That's fair.
All right, my turn to hit this big bendy hill of awesomeness. Niner isn't too happy about this. Getting pretty hot, but giving it a break. Now we're gonna hammer down. I fell off the road just a little. So we're gonna put the new worn winch to work and fix my little boo-boo here. In there pretty good.
Probably gonna have to dig some of this out.
Whew! There she is, out of the snow. Whew! I don't know if it's really. This is how I'll show you guys. Look at this. Look at. Look at. Look at. Look at. 3 deep when you're not on the road. So I was sitting on my frame there, and skid plate there, and frame there, skid plate here. There's cameras all over the place. It is bumpy. Well, just boiling over a little. People wonder why I want to retire this Jeep. It's only like every time I take it out, every time something happens. But don't worry, it's a brand new radiator.
Ye old 5.9 was done climbing mountains for the day, so we decided to dip down beside a creek and make some bacon.
Cheers! Having the classic breakfast sandwich by Adventure Cam. Delicious as always.
Cheers, bud.
Bacon. That's the most important ingredient in every recipe.
Do you even overland if there's no bacon involved?
I think that pretty much wraps up the evening. Whew, had some good snacks, hung out in the A-frame here. Had some coffee, of course. Just starting to get dark, so pack up and boogie on down the road.